Hey guys, it's Parth from Gadgetnow.
And today we have a Apple A1185 replacement battery. This battery is compatible with 2006 to 2008 MacBook 13-inch models. So without wasting any more time, let's get done with the unboxing. Here we have some paperwork for the battery, instruction to be taken, safety precautions, and here's the Apple replacement battery. As you can see, it is pretty charged up. Now let's peel this off. This is a 100% brand new Apple replacement battery. This really feels nice. It's very good. It's light in weight and has a bigger capacity. It says that its model number is A1185, 10.8 volts and 5600 milliampere, 60 watt per hour. This battery contains no mercury. Now let's compare this battery with the original MacBook battery. Let's get out the original battery. Keep aside the laptop. Here you can compare the original MacBook battery. The same material, you get the glossy finish on the top of this. This is the replacement battery, whereas this is the original battery by Apple. Here you get a metal finish, matte finish. Here you get the same glossy finish. As compared, both have same dimensions, but the weight is surely heavy on the Apple one. This is slightly light, but as the capacities goes, here you get a bigger capacity battery and here you get a smaller capacity battery, and at a less price. So let's fit this new replacement battery in the Apple laptop. Here we go. Let's fit this right in. Let's start the laptop. As you can see, it works right. So if anyone is looking to buy a Apple replacement battery, I will provide a link down below in the description. And please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you next time. Thank you.